How to use the Humanize skill in Claude. In this video, we're going to be talking about Claude AI and how you're going to be using the Humanize skill for yourself. Now, the Humanize skill is not something that you're going to find over here in the models or anything like that. It's a skill that you're going to have to create. And to do so, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come over to the customize section in the top left. And once you're over here, you're going to come to the skill section and you're going to hit add. Now, once you hit add, you can either write skill instructions by yourself, upload a humanized skill that you picked off from Reddit or any GitHub forum, or simply have it created with Claude. So over here, you're going to add this prompt, like let's create a skill together using your skill creator skill. First, ask me what the skill should do. And your prompt should be, I want you to humanize any text that I provide you. Okay, and you can go ahead and make it seem like it's not AI. Now you can go ahead and make this prompt even more detailed and even more, feature packed, so it gets the main idea of what it shouldn't do. Now, what type of content will you mainly be humanizing? So you can go ahead and choose whatever you want. So let's say newsletter and academic essay writing. Now, what tone should the humanized output lean towards? Let's go with professional with natural. Should the skill preserve the original meaning strictly? Let's go with the rephrase freely if it sounds better. So once this is done, it says, should the skill output just the humanized text or also include a brief note? You could go ahead and add the brief note if you want to. And once that is done, what's going to happen is it's going to ask any specific AI sounding thing that you want to remove. You're going to choose that. And as you can see now, it's going to say, got everything I need. Let me write the skill now. Now, what it does from here is it is going to be creating the humanizing skill. And once the skill is done and through, what's going to happen from there on out is you're going to have a proper humanizing skill on Claude in the easiest and most simplest way. And don't worry, I'm going to teach you how to use the skill as well. So if there's any piece of text that you already have, what's going to happen from there on out is you're going to run the skill over here. As you can see, here you have the test input. In today's fast-paced world, it is important, etc. Now, as you can see, the humanized text is going to appear over here. Pretty cool. And then just to use the humanized text, hit slash. And once you hit slash, you're going to go ahead and use this, basic thing. And that's the skill working as designed. Want to tweak anything or, do I want to, so you can simply say good to go. And Claude is going to simply package the skill for you. And from there on out, all you're going to do is it's going to create a skill file. And to write that skill file, just write slash. And here the skill is going to appear for you. Just click on the skill, add in your line of text, and your humanizer skill is good to go. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.